feeling like I know you. I can't help but wanna thug you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have y'all here for part 2. So now I'm going to show y'all how to color your hair using water, hair dye, and of course bleaching your hair first. So these are just the products that I use. I will leave them in the description box down below. But first we are going to start off with bleaching the hair. Now this is probably the longest step for getting your hair red, which is good because I mean it's not really that hard to do. I'm not really applying it in any kind of neat way. I'm just kind of throwing it on there. I wish I would have did it differently. I wish I would have did it more uniform. Well, I honestly wish I would have bleached the whole wig, like roots included, because I think that red would have looked really good with the roots as well. But I could always go back and bleach the roots and just watercolor it because I mean it's so easy to do. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this and just watch along, you guys, and yeah, I'm gonna shut up. So this is what the hair is looking like, all bleached. I really like how light it came out. I like how UNice's hair lightens very easily. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash the hair, and I'm gonna use Shimmer shampoo. Now the shampoo doesn't really make a difference here, seeing as how I'm not gonna keep it this blonde color, but I used it anyway because it was right there in my kitchen. So yeah, so I'm just gonna rinse out all the bleach and just make sure that it's all out because bleach is very drying to the hair. So I really need to get rid of that. And I'm also going to use the Shimmer shampoo to wash the lace. I just think that's beneficial because it keeps it from being brassy. And to get out that excess got to be glued and bold hole that I had on there. So I'm going to go ahead and get to the watercoloring process. So I showed y'all in the beginning the color that I use is the Intense Red by Adore. And I'm just going to squeeze this whole bottle into this container. And I kind of wish that I only used like half of the bottle, but I mean, it's cool, it's fine. It all worked out. But I did notice in the end when I took the wig out, I still had a lot of color left in the water. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and dip it, and I took it out, and y'all, I was so amazed. I'm like, this is so easy. Whoever came up with this method, bless you. This is so easy to do versus applying it and getting red hair dye all over your floor. That's what I'm notorious for doing, is getting red hair dye everywhere versus just doing it this way. It's so safe and effective, and it gets all of the strands of hair that's on the wig. Like, it's saturating it and it looks so good. From watching other videos, people say that if it gets in the lace, it can easily be rinsed out or whatever. But I just wanted to be on the safe side anyway, and I didn't I didn't dip the front of the hair the front of the wig into the water. I just kind of did the sides and did the end. But yeah, just keep on watching. I'm basically just gonna keep dipping it because I want as much of the color to attach to the hair as possible because I don't want to waste any product. But yeah, just keep on watching, y'all. So now we are all done. I'm just going to take some Herbal Essence Hello Hydration Conditioner. I'm not going to use any shampoo because I think I've shampooed this hair enough. So I'm just going to do this and rinse the hair out. I'm going to try and get out as much of that excess dye as possible because I just don't want red hair color dripping everywhere when it's drying. So I'm just going to try and wash it as much as I can. I was trying to get the water to run clear, but I think when you do this method, that's probably not gonna happen. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse it out, and I am just really proud that somebody was smart enough to come up with this. This is definitely how I will be dyeing my hair, wigs, extensions, clip-ins, everything. Maybe even my real hair if it's long enough for me to dip it into water. The water does not have to be boiling hot. I forgot to mention that in the beginning. It does not have to be boiling hot. I just put it, I put the tub in my bathtub and I put it on the highest water or the hottest water setting. And then I just kind of filled it up just a little bit, not a lot. And yeah, it wasn't that hot. It wasn't steaming. So, you know, that's cool. You don't have to boil water or anything. Yeah, and I'm just really, really pleased with how this came out. And I hope that you guys are able to do this too. I will definitely be experimenting with more colors. I just chose red because, I mean, I love red hair, and fall is coming up, so this is like the perfect time to wear it. I do want to tone this down just a little bit. It's a little bit too red for me. It's kind of out there, but it's okay. It's okay. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Like I said, I will be doing this method a lot more in the future. I think it's very time efficient and cost efficient. You don't really have to use a lot of bottles. You can use one bottle versus if you were to do it by hand. I know some people use about 2 to 3 bottles, just depending on how heavy-handed people can be. But yeah, like I said, if you enjoyed this video, just give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'm so proud of my 1,800 subscribers that I have so far. I hope that we can continue to grow, and hopefully I will be posting more and more videos in the future. If you have any questions or comments about anything, just leave them in the comment box down below. And I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
My regrets look just like texts I shouldn't send. And I got neighbors, they're more like strangers. We could be friends. I just need